Let's add a teapot. If you don't see the teapot, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add a reflective material. That's a beautiful looking teapot. Type F3 to add quick smoke. Change the flow type to fire. Let's play the animation. The flame effect works perfectly, but it won't show up in render. The cycles renderer will only show smoke. How do we fix this issue? Let's lower the density, and increase the blackbody intensity setting. There is our flame. Another bug coming up. When I render the scene, even though the flame is in the final render image, the flame won't save. I'll use 32 samples to render. This is the final image. I tried everything, but I couldn't find a way to show the flame in the render image. I ended up rendering again, using the print screen key to capture the screen, and went to Photoshop to paste the image. For those who are using Krita, this can easily be done in Krita as well. Basically, I'm cropping and resizing the render image. If you know how to show the flame in the final render image, please let us know in the comments section below. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.